This is Hunts Point. And if you were watching my other Vlogmas video, you would know that that's Southern Boulevard where I was doing the Bronx tour, and I walked up this way. Then we walked down that way to see the big pun mural. But I forgot to show you Hunts Point, which is right here. 6 train. And but yeah, right now I'm going to Dollar Tree because I want to show you an idea on how to save money for gifts. You can make a nice little care package for people at the Dollar Tree. Now, while I'm in here, I'm also gonna buy something for Valentine's. Now, what you can do is you can start with a card, like a thank you note. You got a thank you note here, or with appreciation. Or you could just get a card here, a blank card, thinking of you, etc. I got all the stuff. I'm gonna show you what I got when I get home and pack it up because I couldn't really film in the store. Too many people and it was acting crazy. Thank you. So yeah, I'll show you everything when I get home and unpack it and pack it in a box and stuff. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna show you how I do a little care package at an affordable price, and we can start with an affordable reused box. Okay, so this is an Amazon package box that I got a package for, and it's just the right size for what I want to do. So well, let me put it on the side so I could show you all the things that I got first. Now, for me, I feel like everybody loves candles. And, well, at least most people love candles. And even if you don't love candles, I feel like if you have them, you'll end up using them. And that's kind of like an easy gift to give someone that you don't know what to give to. But then there's some people you know who love candles. And anyway, that's what I got. In Dollar Tree, I got these. They were $1 each. And the cute thing about these are, the reason why I picked these was because they had messages like soy blend scented candle, energizing and uplifting. This one is joy. This one is detox and refreshing, and this one is peace. So this is a nice little set that you could give someone. And it's funny because even just this alone, you could give someone this little set in a nice little bag or a nice small box, and they won't even know that you paid $1 each because they don't look it, that's for sure. And I know for me, I'm into, like, you know, positivity and words of affirmation and things of that nature. So these candles would be perfect for someone like me. I would really appreciate these. And they have different phrases, different words you could get. But I picked these specifically for this person that I'm giving this to. So you can do that as well. That makes it even more special when you get specific words for the specific person. I also got decorated shreds to put in the box and secure everything. Ooh, look at that. I need to secure the camera. I also have, you know, bubble wrap, etc. Tissue paper, you know, little envelopes and things to put stuff in. You know, I got a lot of little trinkets. So, on to the care package, right? So we got the 4 candles, which were $1 each. Let me put this, let me move the box so I have more room to show you guys. Let's see. Okay, so we got the 4 candles. Now I also got this picture frame Wild at Heart. I particularly picked this one because I like stuff that looks different, and it has a little kind of like a swing. I don't know if you can see. So it kind of swings while it's standing on the, and I thought that was really nice and different. And it's a small 4x6 to add into that. I also got a coffee, juice mug, latte, whatever they drink, they can drink it in here. And I got this specifically Rise and Grind, because again, it goes with the positivity and words of affirmation. And I got the coaster that says life's a journey, enjoy every moment. So they could put it on there as well, right? Isn't that nice? And an added touch is this person's favorite candy is pink Starburst. Boom. You get 2 little pink Starburst, $1 each. And there you go. You have your little thoughtful care package. And it only costs you $9. Look at that. Now, what I'm going to do is show you another one. I didn't want to show this other care package I was doing, but whatever. I didn't really want the person to see it, because the person that I'm doing this particular care package for is moving. They just moved into a new apartment, and I just wanted to send a little thoughtful gift. But, you know, it is what it is. If they see the video, that's fine. At least they'll know it was the thought that counts, right? Right. For this person's package, you know, she goes to church, she's a Christian, and she's also into positive words and affirmations and all of those things. So these particular candles I thought were perfect, and I picked these 4 specifically for her. This one says, brave, be strong, fearless, Joshua 1:9. This one says, faith moves mountains, Matthew 17:20. For when I am weak, then I am strong. And this one says, pray without ceasing. Okay, so you have these 4, which I thought were really nice. I got this coffee mug, happiness in a cup, along with the coaster that says blessed. And I got this, and it says enjoy the ride. All the frames that I saw had different titles, words, so I specifically picked, you know, you can specifically pick for the person that you're packaging for. And this person loves Reese's, so I got 2 packs of Reese's Minis. And there you go. And then you can get a pack of thank you cards or thinking of you cards or blank cards. And since this person is always kind and thoughtful, I just wanted to thank them for that, as well as congratulate them on moving into their new apartment. So, and you get 6 in a pack too, so you can save it for other times when you want to give gifts away. And there you go. That's a care package from Dollar Tree. See how simple it is to be thoughtful for someone and affordable. You don't have to break the bank to be thoughtful. You really honestly don't. And I'm telling you, even a simple 4 candles is enough, or just the mug and the coaster. You know, I don't know people who would think it's cheap, because I personally don't hang around people like, you know what I mean? I hang around people who appreciate the thoughtfulness of just anything every day. You know what I mean? So I think anyone would like, I would appreciate that. It's stuff that I'm gonna use, you know what I mean? I'm gonna drink stuff. I'm gonna light a candle. I'm gonna need to put a picture in a frame. And even if I don't have a picture to put in a frame, I'm gonna want to get a picture now to put it in this frame, etc., etc. And just you thinking of me, I will appreciate it. And then my favorite little treat, come on, man. I know I would appreciate it. So, and I don't give a damn if you paid 25 cents each. So I don't care if you paid $1. You thought about me, and that's all that matters. I sound like I'm mad. Like I'm telling you, you better be happy someone thought of you. So yeah, and that's it. Got my care package, and I'll mail it. So there you go, guys. Affordable care package, affordable gifts from Dollar Tree that you can give to people. Happy gift giving, and remember, you don't need a holiday or a birthday to think of someone and give a simple little thoughtful gesture.